Hey guys, it is me, and today we are playing Csgo. Right now we're in a pistol round. We're on Zen Gaming. Zen Gaming it's a 1v1, a 2v2, and a 5v5. I would say you guys should check it out. It's a very fun match, and you actually get to earn skins by getting Zen coins. Every game you win, you get 5 coins. If they disconnect, you win, but you get 1 coin. Where is he at? I'm gonna rush him. He's probably over here. Sick beatboxing. Okay. I don't really use pistols. I use AWP, and if I do use a pistol, I use the P250 or the 5.7. Okay, I'm probably gonna die. There we go. Let's try not to let them win. What? Lit 98, come on, I'm so bad. How did I not kill him? Stop doing that, you're gonna get yourself killed like last time. There you go. I don't hold shift, I just keep on doing this. No. A and D. W. He's gonna get himself killed again. He's a higher level, they're both all higher levels than me. And I usually play Gmod lots of times. I used to have a P250 Stat Track Supernova, and then you guys know what happened basically. What happens every time you lose a skin. No, not scam, gamble. Came from the side. How did I even hit him? Did it even touch me? If my team was a little better, it's freaking prestige or whatever. And you get to like go out. Whoa, hold up. Do you see that guy's body? If you don't win this, look at that guy's body over there. Ooh, okay. Pretty sure we got this. Let 57, come on. Okay. We need to stop rushing. We gotta do it one more time. That's it. Oh, fuck. They're both lit. Come on. Got it. Why doesn't... Doesn't matter. It's a nice royal blue. We lost then. No, I'm doing that. I think he's trying to make them win. But keeps on rushing up. They're both the same. No, they're not. Nice. I let them rush us. Oh my gosh, that spray. One right there. Now he's doing better than me. I'm doing bad now. Very bad. I'm a level like 20, 22, and then like all these metal. Oh, okay, he doesn't really have one. They've played longer. Okay. Okay. What 48? Come on. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was a short video. I'm gonna be doing short videos like this because I'm doing Zen Gaming. But I will probably do some surfing videos, mini games, and all that, and blah blah blah, and more stuff like Gmon and all that. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and leave a like, and that's it.